Hello guys, I am Deepak Suthar. I am doing an internship in data science and business analytics at the Spark Foundation. For task 1, in beginner level, I have selected a topic as prediction using supervised ML. In prediction using supervised ML, I have to predict the percentage of an student based on the number of study hours. I will be doing this task using Python. The dataset which is provided contains two columns, hours and score. Also, I have to predict the score if a student study for 9.25 hours per day. Now, starting with the project, I have imported the required libraries like pandas used for data manipulation and analysis, NumPy used for multidimensional array and matrix along with the high-level mathematical function, matplotlib, it is a plotting library, Seaborn, it is a data visualization library based on the matplotlib, sklearn model selection to split data in training and test set. sklearn linear model used for linear regression model. sklearn matrix, it is used for evaluating the model. Further, we read the data, then print the head of the data. After that, we check for the null value by using isNull, which we get false. So our data doesn't contain any null value. So now we can visualize the data. By using scatterplot, we plot the graph of R versus score, where we can notice that there is a correlation between the percentage score and R studied. Further, we split the data into training and test set. Then we train our model of linear regression by fitting the train set. Then we plot the regression plot where it is confirmed that the variables are positively correlated. Further, we start predicting the percentage score. Then we compare the predicted score with actual score. Then visualization of the predicted score and the actual score using line plot and a scatter plot was done. After all this, we evaluate the model by calculating the accuracy of the model where we get the mean absolute error as 4.183. Further, the answer to the question predict the score if a student study for 9.25 hour per day is removed as 93.692%. This is all I have done for the beginner level. Further, for intermediate level, I will be working on the prediction using decision tree algorithm. In this, I will be creating the decision tree classifier and visualize it graphically. Thank you for watching.